Hi students, I always joked I might become a YouTube teacher, and here I am. Today you're going to learn how to do a word in one-point perspective. I'm going to suggest that you do it in pencil first until you get it like you love it, and then you can use Sharpies or pens or whatever you have at home. So let's show you how to begin. First you're going to draw in pencil two parallel lines, and then you're going to draw the word that you chose. I chose rose because I happen to love roses. And you're going to draw them in like box-like letters. So the red is what I'm showing you with each step. So this was step one. Step two, you're going to take and you're going to put a little dot, that's the vantage point, and you're going to put it above your word. And now what you're going to do, you're going to encapsulate each letter. So what that means is to draw around each letter that you wrote. Again, I'm showing you in the red. You're going to go around each letter until you've completed the whole word. Next, you're going to connect from the vantage point to the top corners of each of those box-like letters, and you're going to select a couple of them at the bottom as well. You don't need to do all of them because some of them will be blocked by the letters. But again, before you start, make sure you're leaving enough space in between each of these letters. And lastly, once you have the word like you love it, you're going to decorate it because after all, this is art. So I, at this point, chose to use a Sharpie, and I erased all the first word that I initially wrote that was inside the boxes. It's now gone. I erased those parallel lines, and what I'm left with is just the beautiful one-point perspective word rose. And then I went a step further, and I got a little crazy here, and I actually think that maybe this was a little too far because now instead of looking like the emphasis of being one-point perspective, it looks more like an optical illusion. So even artists have to decide when enough is enough, and this, students, definitely was enough. I hope you produce something like this, and I can't wait to see what you're going to send me. Good luck, Miss B.